Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I want to show you what's in my fridge, and not a lot to say up front. I just enjoyed some dates from Whole Foods and I'm ready to show it to you. Good, let's start with what's on top of my fridge. So I have my bananas. Those are getting very nice and ripe. I have some donut peaches, mangoes, my tomatoes, Sharons, and in here I have pepper and basil, random herbs, and some nuts I don't really eat just now. Chia seeds, nutritional yeast, my onions. Let's go to the fridge. So, just to give you an overview, it's now very full and I really like it. Let's start with the drawer. I've got some naked nibbles, then peanut butter, coconut oil. I have my half prepared lunch in here, potato veggies, then I don't know how to say that, gherkins or jerkins, and then tomato ketchup and peri sauce, a innocent smoothie, hazelnut milk, and then let's start from the bottom. I have apples, my mango, I just eat it soon, and bell peppers, and more peaches, and lemon. Here the spinach and the dark kale. Then onto my potatoes, the red British ones, the baby ones, my creamy Violife, oops, and a cucumber, some dates I bought at Whole Foods, more peaches, I just needed space to store them, and I've got vegan cheese in there, and here's my sweet section. Oreos, a Milka thing, track bars, chocolate bars, more bars. Yeah, that's it. What's in my kitchen? I mean in my fridge. Yeah, everything vegan except of that. I got this from my mother, and yeah, she's not vegan. And in the freezer here, I've got, it's so icy, watery. I have bread. I have vegan sausages. It's not typical what's in that fridge now, in that freezer. I have soy mince, meat-free mince. I have some Indian bread, kind of, and that is okra. Here, okra, and there is the very back, and that dairy-free vegan dessert. Chocolate! Yum 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 yum. Bye-bye. Yeah, I hope you liked what you saw. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I am Serey. I make daily videos and you can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram or Twitter, and of course here on my YouTube channel, and I would love to see you around. Bye!